Hello folks, welcome back to another model kit review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Airfix H.M.S Bounty. This is the classic model kit. The boxing that I got mine in was from 1992. This is not the rebranded version from the early 2000s. I have to say, this was a very enjoyable kit considering how old it is. And Airfix is famous for being... I've said my opinions about Airfix enough on this channel, but I love their kits, but I do have my problems with them, but none of the problems were really presented here. Had some awkward setting on the lifeboats. Maybe I should have put some rope around those, but that's something I need to illustrate here. I did use ropes. I don't usually use ropes on my model kits, but I got some super glue and I did that, and the rigging was easily my favorite part of this entire build. Paint, I used a slightly different paint scheme to the one that's provided on the box. The instructions weren't great, so that probably had something to do with it, but yeah, I really enjoyed this kit. It had some really bad molding though, especially at the back. I don't know if you can see, but I had to do a bit of patchwork. It's not very noticeable though, and considering it's a 14th century sailing ship, I don't think it looks too bad, and considering it's going to be sitting on a shelf, you know, I think it turned out really well for what it was. Again though, some of the masts didn't go up very well. If you look from a front view, they're a bit crooked. It did have a flag at the top, which looks absolutely gorgeous. Don't mind all the junk in the background, by the way. There's just some stuff I'm getting rid of. It does come with some standable figures, but I didn't include mine just because I think it looks just nicer on its own. It took about, I want to say, about 3, nearly 4 weeks to build this. I got delayed because I needed to get some super glue, and I didn't have it when I started, so that really delayed the construction of the kit. But all in all, I really enjoyed this. I was going to suggest maybe build this for beginners, because it's really not that hard to build, but I would suggest more intermediate model makers just because there's some very tedious sections of this to build. The rigging is not hard though. It looks a lot harder than it is, trust me. It's gorgeous and I loved it. Alright, so that concludes my H.M.S Bounty. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Take care and goodbye.